In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom out in Notion. So in here, after successfully accessing the homepage of your Notion account, what we're going to do is we're going to simply scroll down in here and select the page that we would like to add or make the zoom out action to. Let's say we're going to use this specific page in here that we have, this one to-do list. And after successfully accessing the page that you would like to zoom out to, we have ways on how to do it. If you are using a Windows device, you simply click the control button and you click the plus icon one at a time to zoom in. However, if you want to zoom out, which is the purpose of this video, we simply click the control and click the minus button one at a time to zoom out in an adjust manner. Now, since we are using a Mac in here, what we're going to do is we're going to simply click command, and once you click command, you click the minus button in order to zoom out, and to zoom in you simply click plus button one at a time to go back in. And that's about it. That's how to zoom out in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.